Any version? I don't know.
I could buy a tablet.
We're both broke right now. Let's see.
I have $310.
What? Can you give me a backpack? I only have 17.
Okay, which one?
Ooh, the grayish black one.
The grayish black one?
Yeah.
Here, take a picture of it. Take a picture of it.
Just give me any at this point.
Okay, I'm gonna give you the one that I like the most.
Okay. That is literally the one I was talking about.
Okay. That's $261. You know what I'm gonna get?
Ride on our clouds, far away. Dude, we want to go into the landmine? Do you want to go into the landmine field?
I want to get a rocket.
Then get it. I'm not controlling you. Pick it up. Okay, come on.
I have a pogo stick.
Do not get killed. Please.
Wait, what if I just use the pogo stick?
That's not a pogo stick.
Yes, it is.
It's a rocket. Just use it as a pogo stick if you want. It will still make stuff blow up.
Oh, why does it just turn yellow? Oh, the landmine isn't even like you have to step in. You have to step into it. Oh man, the robot died. This was the worst, dumbest. What are you?
I got us bananas.
Oh, what's up here?
Wait, what is up there?
It's a vent. It's a vent.
I'm in it. It leads to nothing.
Okay, let's go back.
Run. It does matter if...
Wait, what's the new monster then?
That was a... I think... Like, it's probably not new, but I've never seen it. Dude, we have to sell the bananas.
Let's go to horror. Let's go to horror.
We have to sell bananas.
At the what? Whoa.
I'm gonna take that out. We need it. Okay, good. You did not die.
What does it do?
How much did we get? We got 69. It's time to head into the facility. They didn't block it off. You have to go above it. Look. Remember, this is where the red light, green light monster was.
Yeah, this is the red light, green light.
Now follow me. You want to know what makes the deep dark more scary now?
The anglerfish.
Look down there. It's down there too. Oh, I want to pee my pants so bad.
What is?
Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Who am I this kid?
Wait, should we go down?
Unless you want to go say hi to Mr. Chicken and steal his egg.
Yeah, I'll steal his egg.
Yeah, I'll steal his egg. Original red light, green light monster. We will miss you.
We will miss you. What's over here?
They removed the cave and moved it. I'm pretty sure they moved it,
Well,
but
you just fall through the void.
Mr. Chicken, we came for your egg.
I want toilet paper.
Hey, bud. We have. Is that a gem? Ah! Hey! Distract him.
Hi, how you doing?
Go towards him. Go up to him. Go up to the monster.
Just get this Stanley cup.
You ready? It doesn't care.
I just wanted my mom's Stanley cup.
Chrissy Z?
I'm stuck. Please.
Chrissy? I hear you.
Crispy.
Help me. Help.
Juicy.
Help me.
Crispy.
What?
I can't hear you. Go on the mic.
I'm stuck. Go get a grenade and
I'm
blow
coming
me up.
Oh.
No, my bag. Please blow me up. Put me out my misery. Get a grenade, blow me up. Put me out my misery, please.
Where are you?
Buy the chicken.
Buy the chicken?
Never mind. I'm unstuck. I'm unstuck.
Oh, I hear you.
I'm unstuck.
Are you in the void?
I'm unstuck. Yes.
Oh, what's up?
I was stuck in this rock. Bro, I was literally inside this rock. It would not let me out.
Okay, I need my mom's Stanley cup.
Get your mother's Stanley Cup then. Hey! Hey, buddy. Yo, I got your mom's gem from her ring.
Can you get my mommy's Stanley cup?
I can't, dude. I can. How could I not get the Stanley Cup? Buddy! Hey, you got your mother's Stanley Cup? Give it to me, I'll put it in the bag. Drop it.
Elbozo.
Let's go sell this stuff.
We can make profit.
Let's make profit off our mother's stuff.
Oh, for my mommy's stuff.
Yeah.
My mom's Stanley cup.
And Mr. Stanley Punch.
Bro, how much money do you have right now?
87.
You only have 87? I only have 210, bro. I'm so broke.
They added weight. My bag is heavy.
Wait, what if you killed me? How much money would you get?
None. Okay. Oh, we still got the
my,
moon
I just got
box.
so much. I just got 252.
Same.
I almost just bought another rocket. On the iPad.
You're becoming an iPad kid, huh? Let's go, I got 2 stilts. Let's go. Hello?
So do I.
Buddy, you can fly with 2 of these.
I know.
Should we go get your mother's Stanley Cup again? Or should
Yeah,
we
and then
steal
we can
that
make
chicken's
more
egg?
profit. Wait, let's just try to get like everything there.
Oh yeah, but then that'd be heavy on me.
And then you'll run slow.
Yes.
Here, how about I get everything? Right?
Bring
And I hold it
everything
in my
one at a
hands.
time.
Okay, both of us has to get one thing.
How about we go here now, for a bit. Oh, nah. There's 2 ways. Come on. Heck no. That place is deadly. Can I have a stilt?
Okay, let's go stick back to the chicken.
Can I get a stilt?
Wait, so okay. I was just gonna text you.
Can I please have a stilt? Can I please get a stilt? Hey, hey, hey.
Where are you?
Where are you?
Are you?
I'm right here.
Drop this.
Give me a stilt.
How do I drop it?
Press the button you press to pick it up.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, hey, hey.
I carry one thing and you carry.
Look. Hold
Oh my
up.
gosh, there's big bananas.
Hey.
You took a big banana.
Hey. Hey. Oh, I don't think he likes this. Oh, we can go to that. Hi, buddy. This is 10 karat gold. Put it in.
Bet.
Oh no.
Oh, I need that big banana.
I've gotten slower by far. You need that small banana. Put it in my bag.
Okay. Now
I
need
can.
that very big banana.
Dude, look how fast I move with it when holding my bag. You know what? Heck no. I'm sleeping in a cardboard box, spent every dollar at the liquor shop. Try to give you money till the day. I've been Sleeping in a cardboard box, spending every dollar at the liquor shop. Even though I know I don't got a lot, I've been spending money till the day you drop. Mm. 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 I've been trading like Pavlov dog. Oh no. Atmosphere. No, don't know why this song is my favorite song. Well, meet again, don't know where, but I know where, meet again some sunny day. Keep smiling true and true, like you always do. Yes, it drives the. Blow down, and every